The Estadio Castelao in Fortaleza is set to host 6 matches at this summer's World Cup in Brazil. The renovation of the stadium was completed on time and within budget, at an approximate cost of £167 million, making the stadium the first World Cup venue to be declared ready. As well as having its capacity increased to 58,704, the revamped stadium will boast a new roof which now covers all its tiers, a mixed zone and fully refurbished dressing rooms. Fans can reach the Castelao more easily after the creation of 2 metro stations, and the complex includes restaurants, cinemas, a hotel and an Olympic centre. Fortaleza has also been in the news for the wrong reasons as well. In April 2013, 2 football supporters were shot dead by rival fans near the Castelao. Fortaleza means fortress in Portuguese, and the port will be lowering its drawbridge to the world for Uruguay versus Costa Rica on the 14th of June.